Hey folks, this video will teach you how to pronounce the Brazilian Portuguese word obrigado. The correct pronunciation is obrigado. Once again, obrigado. There's a female version of this word, which is obrigada. Again, obrigada. If you want to say obrigado in a more informal way, you could say valeu. Valeu. And there will be situations where some Brazilians will say brigado or brigada without the O sound at the beginning of the word. But remember, the correct pronunciation is always the one that people can understand. So don't be afraid. Choose whatever is easiest for you. Let's say it one more time. Obrigado or obrigada. You've got it. If you have any other word suggestions, feel free to comment below. And if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.